When you discover water leaking from the bottom of your Bradford White water heater, quick identification of the source is crucial for determining the right solution. There are four main sources where leaks commonly occur. Let's examine each one to help you identify the problem. Internal tank corrosion is the most serious cause. This happens when sediment builds up over time, leading to rust and eventual tank failure. If your water heater is over 10 years old, this is likely the culprit. The drain valve at the bottom of the tank is used for maintenance and flushing. It can become loose, damaged, or simply not fully closed, causing water to drip out. The temperature and pressure relief valve is a critical safety feature. When it malfunctions, it may release water that flows down the tank sides, appearing as a bottom leak. Loose connections at water supply lines can also cause leaks that drip down the tank exterior. These are often the easiest to fix by simply tightening the fittings. Once you've identified a leak, take immediate safety action. First, turn off the power source. Flip the breaker for electric heaters or turn the gas control knob to off for gas units. Next, shut off the water supply by locating the shutoff valve near the heater and turning it clockwise. This prevents additional water from entering the tank and causing more damage. Call a professional plumber if you're unsure of the leak source, dealing with temperature and pressure valve issues, facing gas or electrical risks, or suspect internal tank damage. Safety should always be your top priority. Proper identification of the leak source determines whether you can handle the repair yourself or need professional assistance. Once you've identified the source of your water heater leak, it's time to take action with the appropriate repair solution. For drain valve leaks, start by trying to tighten the valve with a wrench. If tightening doesn't stop the leak, you'll need to replace the valve entirely. Temperature and pressure relief valve issues are more complex and potentially dangerous. These should always be handled by a qualified professional. Internal tank leaks are the most serious problem. When the tank itself is compromised by corrosion, a complete water heater replacement is usually the only viable solution. Here we can see a corroded heating element, which demonstrates the type of damage that occurs when sediment buildup and corrosion affect water heater components. Now let's focus on prevention strategies to avoid these costly repairs in the future. Regular tank flushing is essential for removing sediment buildup that causes corrosion. This simple maintenance task can significantly extend your water heater's lifespan. The anode rod is your water heater's first line of defense against corrosion. Replace it every 3 to 5 years to protect the tank from rust and deterioration. Annual professional maintenance includes inspecting all components, testing safety valves, and identifying potential problems before they become expensive repairs. If you have hard water, consider installing a water softener or filtration system. Hard water accelerates sediment buildup and corrosion, leading to premature failure. Remember that water heater leaks pose serious risks. They can cause extensive water damage to your home, create electrical hazards, and lead to costly structural repairs if not addressed promptly. Sometimes replacement is more cost-effective than repair. Consider a new unit if yours is over 10 years old, if repair costs exceed half the price of a new heater, or if you're experiencing frequent problems. Modern units offer better efficiency and reliability.